What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Mo coming back with another freaking bang. By the title and thumbnail, yes, it's a monkey video. Yes, it's the first video, you feel me? The first time me ever doing this type of video. We're gonna be seeing if people smart today, you feel me? We're gonna be seeing if people got what it take, you feel me? Know what they talking about. See if they smart, see if they actually, went to school, graduated, and all that type of shit. So, yeah, this is my new, going on my new page, my new YouTube channel. Only reason why it's going on a new YouTube channel instead of my main, because I'm trying to keep my main channel under one thing. So, my main channel is filled with fashion only, and I want to keep it like that. And so I made this second channel for like my vlogs, or videos like this, reactions, stuff like that. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Road to 100K. Yeah, let's get into the video, man. So basically, I'm gonna be hopping on Monkey and shit, and I'm gonna be seeing if people smarter than a 5th grader. So we gonna see what's up, man. Let's go on, hop on Monkey. Screen record, 3, 2, 1. Let's go ahead and see what's up, man. He trying to get your old ass onto that, bro. I'm not old, bro.
Same nigga.
The gay boy?
No, I don't.
Bro, that nigga ugly as hell on my mama. I don't even want to ask the question for that nigga. Canada. Marcus, fuck you. But I'm like, I don't know, bro. I be wanting like more like females than niggas on this shit. I'm skipping this shit. Alright, bet. Come on. Next nigga, I got you. What up, gang?
What's up, Mo?
What's the word? Hey, bro. You think you smart?
Nah, but what's up?
I got a question for you.
Alright, then go ahead and ask it.
How many inches are there in 2 yards?
Inches in 2 yards?
Yeah.
Of Whew, that's a lot. At least 100,000.
What the fuck? That's your final answer?
Hold on. 2 yards is a lot, fool.
How many inches are there in 2 yards?
2 yards. Oh, that is a good question. Hold on. I'm gonna try to do it by square root. Do you know what square root is?
Yeah.
Alright. Damn. Yeah, my final answer is probably like 70,000, 100 square root. So that's at least, fuck, well, like at least 150,000 inches.
That's your final answer?
Yeah.
Hey, you wrong, gang.
What is it?
72.
72
Yeah.
inches?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
This nigga slow, bruh. Nigga said 150,000. I'm dumb sleep. Let me see this. First nigga bet Philly. Okay, bet. What up, gang?
Yeah.
Hey, bro, I got a question. You think you smart?
You say?
You think you smart?
No. A little bit.
I got a question for you.
Hey, you're free to ask.
How many times does 7 divide into 49?
How many times is 7 divided to 49?
Yeah.
9. 7 cannot be divided to 49. 49 will be divided into 7.
You said what's the answer?
7 cannot be divided into 49. Rather, 49 will be divided into 7.
How many times does 7 divide into 49?
And I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't know.
It's 7.
I don't know.
What the fuck, bro? You know, dumb as hell. What up, gang? Yeah, I got a question for you real quick. Alright, how many inches are there in 2 yards?
2 yards.
Huh?
2 yards.
That's your final answer?
16 inches.
How many?
16.
That's your final answer?
What is it?
72, bro.
Damn, is that how long your dick is?
You gay, bro. He gay. He gay. He's gay. You. Yeah, it's 7 minutes, bro. Come on, bro. I need to find another good question. Yo. Hey. You think y'all think y'all smart?
Yeah, I'm smart.
Let me ask you a question then.
Yeah.
How many inches are there in 2 yards?
We don't use yards over here.
Which I use?
Meters, centimeters.
So y'all don't know the shit about like yards and shit.
No.
Alright, damn, so that means y'all niggas don't even. Damn. Cause they're
You wanna come yard?
huh?
You wanna come yard, sir?
What?
You know what yard means over here?
Oh. I don't know what the fuck that he talking about. Bruh. I wish this should work like on the website monkey, cause it be more people on there than this. I'm trying to go at least 15 minutes. Oh my God. Bro. I know he don't know. That nigga look like he don't know. Hey, cuz. You think you smart, bro?
What?
You think you smart?
I don't think I'm smart. I am smart.
Let me ask you something then.
What?
How many inches are there in 2 yards?
You gotta make that one. You gotta make that
How many times does 7 divide into 49?
I don't go to school, gang.
How you gonna say you smart then, nigga?
I know something. I know something, though.
Dog, this nigga funny. Niggas be loose, bruh.
You again?
Bro, go take your ass back to school, gang. Like, god damn. That boy ain't even showing his face. I don't know what's going on. This shit crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. My video finna hit 15 minutes, and I'm not going past 15 minutes doing this. So this is gonna be the end of the video. You feel me? If y'all fuck with this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if y'all want more. I could try to see if I can do something to be able to like get more people on here, or at least get the at least be able to get the one that's on the website to work. Cause I don't know why the one every time I go on the website to screen record, it won't like I won't be able to like hear other people and shit like that. So like when I turn my screen record off, I won't be able to hear nothing. The whole screen record will be like silent. So I'm gonna try to see if I can fix that. I don't know, or I might just end up buying the only female thing on the Monkey app or whatever the case may be. But yeah, man. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Road to 100K. I'm out. Peace.